Hello students, today we are going to learn a topic on life of farmer and farmer techniques. So let's start. Question number 1. Jadeite stone was brought from option number 1 A. Burma, B. China, C. Iran and D. Mengra. So the correct answer is B. China. Question number 2. Buron was located in option 1 A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Bihar, C. Kashmir and D. all of the above. So the correct answer is C. Kashmir. Now we'll go to question number 3. Farmer and herder lived in group called as option number first A. Tribes, B. Nomads, C. Pit houses and D. Strung. So the correct option is A. Tribes. Question number 4. The first animal to be trained was A. Ancestor of dog, B. Horse, C. Sheep and D. Dog. So the correct answer is A. Ancestor of dog. Let's move to question number 5. Odd man out for the way of grain was used. Option A. Seed, option B. Food, option C. Gift and option D. Means of exchange. So the correct option is answer 3. C. Gift. Question number 6. Which of the year indicates the beginning of domestication of plants and animals? Option A. About 12,000 years ago. Option B. About 8,000 years ago. Option C. About 2,000 years ago. And option D. None of this. So the correct option is about 12,000 years ago. Question number 7. In which year indicate the beginning of sea at Megan? Option A. About 8,000 years ago. Option B. About 2,000 years ago. Option C. About 7,000 years ago. And option D. all of this. So the correct option is about 8,000 years ago. Question number 8. Using fertilizers in farming is an example of option A. no cost production, option B. low cost production, option C. high cost production and option D. none of this. So the correct answer is C. high cost production. Let's move to question number 9. Nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium are examples of option A. micronutrients, option B. macronutrients, option C. fertilizers and option D. both A and B. So the correct option is B. macronutrient. Let's move to question number 10. Cypernerus and Parthenium are type of option A. diseases, option B. pesticides, option C. weeds and option D. pathogens. So the correct option is C. weeds. Question number 11. Mulete's prawn mussels are example of option A. marine fishes, option B. freshwater fish, option C. Indian bee and option D. none of this. So the correct option is option A. marine fishes. Now let's move to question number 12. What is the other name of Aedes sirena indica? Option A. Indian cow, option B. Indian buffalo, option C. Indian bee and option D. none of these. So the correct option is option C. Indian bee. Question number 13. The management and production of fish is called A. pisciculture, B. apiculture, C. sericulture and D. aquaculture. So the correct option is A. pisciculture. Question number 14. Rahul and Kala, a type of A. freshwater fish, B. marine water fish, C. both A and B, and D. none of this. So the correct option is A. freshwater fish. Question number 15. Pasturage is related to A. cattle, B. fishery, C. apiculture, and D. sericulture. So the correct option is C. apiculture. Let's move to question number 16. What is process of growing two or more crop a definite pattern? Option A. crop pattern. Option B. intercropping. Option C. mixed cropping. And option D. organic cropping. So the correct option is intercropping. Next, question number 17. Legon is related to option A. apiculture, option B. dairy farming, option C. disc culture, and option D. poultry. So the correct option is poultry. Question number 18. The type of farming in for the selling purpose is classified as option A. commercial farming, option B. subsistence farming, option C. pastoral farming, and option D. intensive farming. So the correct option is option A. commercial farming. Question number 19. The fourth step in process of growing rice is A. sowing, B. transplanting, C. preparing the main field, D. plowing the field. So the correct option is B. transplanting. Next question, question number 20. The type of farming in which the crop are grown by farmer for their own families classified as A. pastoral farming, B. commercial farming, C. intensive farming, and D. subsistence farming. So the correct option is subsistence farming. Question number 21. The agricultural gives many benefits to countries and individuals, which includes A. food supply source, B. employment of labor, C. foreign exchange earning, D. all of the above. So the correct option is foreign exchange earning. Question number 22. The type of cultivation in which large number of people prepares the cultivation land, but land can support only few people is classified as option A. shifting cultivation, option B. intensive cultivation, option C. pastoral cultivation, and option D. subsistence cultivation. So the correct option is D. subsistence cultivation. Thank you.